This is not nearly enough. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is April. Today I wanted to show you guys me changing out my Monstera plants. Currently they're in LECA, and the jars that they're in are currently too small. So I wanted to transfer them into bigger jars that I actually just picked up from Walmart. I only have this much LECA. And those jars are huge. This is not enough, and this was almost $30. This is not cheap, but if you want to see me attempt to transfer my Monstera into bigger jars, just keep watching. So currently I have water boiling to clean my LECA, so I thought I would show you guys my outgrown Monstera. The roots are pretty smothered. There's a glare from the window, hold on. But you can tell that the roots are smothered a little bit. At first, I thought it was so cool. I'm like, oh my god, so root bound. Like, this is so cool, root porn. Soon after that, most of the leaves started yellowing. So once I figured out it wasn't a fertilizer problem or a water problem, I knew I had to upsize these tiny jars that I put them in, and they have clearly overgrown. I have one Monstera that I transferred yesterday, and I'll show you. I think I showed you guys that leaf in my last video. Yeah, let me show you guys Big Mama. Oh, I don't know what that was. This is one of 5 Monsteras that needs to be transferred. I transferred her because she was suffering the most from when I was cleaning my LECA, I think yesterday or the day before, and she accidentally fell into the boiling hot water, so she gotta go, like I said. But yeah, I'm trying to do this with all of them, but I thought I was ordering more LECA than I did. We're gonna see what happens. Let's go check on that water that's boiling for the LECA. I'm back with a lot of LECA. That sound is the bane of my existence. Let's get this party started. Like I said, I have 5 Monstera. This is my smallest one in the smallest jar. And the problem that I know I'm gonna have, because I had it with the first Monstera that I transferred into the larger jar, is that I can't get these out. Like these. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and smash these open, throw away the glass, and I'll be back to upsize these. Ooh, I'm hot now. Finally, I'm back. That took a while. I smashed all the jars with a hammer. Some of the roots still have like tiny shards of glass, but I wasn't gonna go in and pick it all off. I figure the plants will be fine. After I smashed the jars open, it left me with this. Let's hop right into it. Let's do this guy first. Actually, I'm gonna do one of the jars first just to see how much LECA it takes up. Also, for these LECA plants, I am not putting a hole 1/3 of way. Mostly because I'm too lazy to do that. Like, I'm not trying to do that anymore. It just takes too long with the drill bit that I have. I just watched a video one day on how to transfer propagations into LECA, and that's what they did. And I just really don't see the reason. See how it turns out. So instead of putting like the LECA where the hole is, I'm just gonna put it 1/3 of the way up before I put the plant in. It sounds so satisfying when it's not dropping on my floor. After we have about this much, oh, that's like halfway, but you know what? It is what it is. You're the biggest, so you're coming up here. Wait, is this the one I want to do? I don't know. I don't think so. I'm just gonna place her in here. I'm gonna take some LECA out. It's about this much LECA now. Okay. Then I'm gonna place her in the middle like that. There's such a big glare from the window. And all I'm doing is filling the LECA in around it. Let's not make a mess, April. These roots look crazy. These were in dire need. We're probably gonna hear that noise a lot. Okay, just a little bit more. This is the first one. Oh, it looks so cute! I really wish I had enough for all of these jars because I love how these look. So now we have 2 out of the tiny jars. See? Oh my God. I almost just broke everything. Okay. I guess we're gonna take another one of these just because I want to avoid putting them in pots where I can't see the balls because I need to see the roots, the balls, the water. There's too much that I need to see, so I'd rather have everything shown. Where's the next biggest one? This one right here. So I'm just gonna fill this up again. Definitely don't have enough. I just know I don't. I got an idea. I'm gonna put one of them in here as well. Okay, we're taking this next big mama, placing her in the middle, and filling around. I don't know what I'm gonna do because I need more LECA. Oh my God, all the ones falling on the floor, man. Okay, this is the second one that we did. I didn't get to fill her all the way up and I did run out of LECA. So I'm gonna call this store to see if they have LECA. It's a hydroponics store in my city. And if they do, I'm going to get some. Oh no, they're closed. They closed at 4:20. Let's go put these in their new homes. Okay, so like I said, I did run out of LECA. And that left me with 2 out of 5 Monstera that didn't get a new jar. So that's this one right here, which is my little baby Monstera. And this one right here. So I'm actually just gonna keep them in water until I get more LECA. I'm going to just put these in a jar that's big enough with water and hopefully they're good by the time I get more LECA. I'm just gonna order it. Should I order it? All I have to do now is go fill up those 2 new pots that I just transferred my Monstera into because they don't have water in them right now. I just have to do that and I'm all set. Just one thing before we go, because I have these really pretty tulips and if I don't get them like on film, like not just a picture, I want them to be in action moving. I won't feel right about my life. So 1 second. These tulips, these are just tulips. Did a fairy come and sprinkle dust on these? Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I'm more prepared with more LECA in my next LECA video. If you can, give it a thumbs up and until next time, bye.